Okay, students, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
I hope you are all well.
Yes, sir.
So, in today's session, we will understand narration. We also call it reported speech.
Yes, sir.
One of the most important topics of English grammar. Let us learn it. Narration topic is so important that it is not only important for your examination point of view. Rather, throughout your lifetime, you can say this topic is very much important, be it a competitive examination and so on and so forth. See, it is expressed in two ways. One is direct and the other one is indirect.
Indirect.
When the words are reproduced in the same manner in which the speakers speak originally, that is called direct speech. And when a third person, some other person, says the same statement in his own way, that we call indirect speech. I hope you got it.
Yes, sir.
Direct and indirect
Indirect.
speech. And that is why it is called reported speech. The speech of someone who is an original speaker is reported in some other way. That is why it is the reported speech, indirect
Speech.
Let us see by examples. Direct speech, I have written DS. Indirect speech, I have written IS. Ram says. Now here you will see what are the changes required to convert direct speech into
Indirect speech.
Once the tense is in present tense, then tense doesn't change. Ram says, I am an honest man. This I am an honest man, these 5 words are the original words of Ram, the speaker.
Yes.
Ram says, I am an honest man. Now this has to be converted into
Indirect.
indirect speech. Suppose Ram said to someone, and now I am telling what he says. Ram says that he is an honest man. He is an honest man. I is changed to he.
He.
Am is changed to each. Rest all
Same.
is same. There is no change in the tense you might observe here.
Yes, sir.
Ram says that he is an honest
Man.
See another sentence in past tense. John said, I am going to Delhi tomorrow. John said, I am going to Delhi tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Now John must have said to someone.
Yes.
That is not here. Let us see. Whenever you find this part is called reporting verb.
Yes.
And this we all call reported speech. This is the reporting verb and this is the reported
Speech.
So here in reporting verb we find it is in past tense. So it will, reported speech will be changing as follows. John said that he was going to Delhi the next day. See the changes. I changed to
He.
I am changed to
Was.
and tomorrow changes to
Next day.
next day. So the total changes. Tense also changes. I am going, he was going. Can you see here?
Yes, sir.
So these are the changes required once the reporting verb is in past.
Past tense.
John said, I am going to Delhi tomorrow. John said that he was going to
Delhi.
the next
Next day.
I hope you understood this.
Yes, sir.
Now come to the next example. Direct speech. Mohan said to Rahim. Now here, Mohan said to Rahim. switch on the fan now. Mohan said to Rahim, switch on the fan,
Fan now.
Now again here you see the reporting verb is in
Past tense.
So, but since the sentence is in switch on the fan now in the order sense, in the order form, so it will say to will here, it will say to will be changing to ordered. Mohan ordered Rahim. Mohan said to Rahim, Mohan ordered Rahim to switch on the fan then. Switch on the fan.
Then.
Changes here, now changes to
Then.
And said to changes to
Ordered.
ordered. I hope with these three examples, this concept is a bit clear to you. Rest all, I have already referred to you one English grammar book. The name is High School English Grammar. Ren and Martin. You can refer this topic in that book. It will be clearer to you all and you will be mastering this stuff. Ask in the comment section also anytime. And see little bit homework students I will give to you. Now you write your own sentences into direct speech 10. Mixed sentences in all the tenses and convert into indirect. This is the homework, 10 sentences. Is this understood to you all?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much. See you in the next session.